In this video, we will look at the settings for CIS. We will start by going to the gear icon, the settings, over on the left, and we will choose CIS. The first option we have is for a voltage level. This is a threshold. In this case, we have a negative 850 millivolts. This will be used later on in audio and visual alerts. The next we have audio alerts. And if we enable that, we have options for beep on every read. This is handy for if you're doing a CI survey in chainer mode. You want to hear every time it's taking a read. If the wire breaks, that beep will stop. We can beep for voltages less negative than the set value above, in our case the negative 850. It will give you an audio tone if you've gone more positive than that value. Beep when overriding existing data. This, if you have moved up in your survey and you didn't go back down to the end and you start surveying again, you're overriding data, it'll give you an audio tone alert. Beep when no voltage is measured. A zero value in CI is invalid, so it's going to warn you that you are recording zero values. Enable double click detection. This is used if you are using flag mode and the buttons on the survey probes. If you double click, so you click twice within half a second, it will enter a flag for you at that location. Enable one reading per cycle. In this case, if you are running a 3 on, 1 off, you will only be allowed to take one reading inside of that 4-second total cycle. Retain record in skip mode. If this is enabled, if you have to cross a road doing a CI survey and you go into skip mode, this will continue to record all of the readings as you just go across the road. Now they will be invalid readings, but they will be there along with the stationing. If you disable that, then you will only see the stationing increment. So you will jump from the stationing at the beginning of the skip to the stationing at the end of the skip without all of the reading values in between. Enable autosave. Highly recommend this. It'll autosave every so many minutes, whatever interval that you want to set for that. You have to have saved the CI survey in the beginning for this to actually work. We go down to enable colors. This can be used with that negative 850 threshold that we set above. If you have anything that's more positive than that negative 850, you could set the background for invalid to a red background and a black text, and that way you'll get a visual of an invalid reading. Show the graph. So to show the graph at the top of the CI survey, which kind of shows a trend of your readings, your on and your offs. You can set the upper and lower voltage range and the width that you would like to see. Remarks. You can import a remarks file. You can export a remarks file to give to somebody else, or you can load the default remarks file. But in here you'll be able to edit your remarks. Hit OK and go back to the home screen. Please visit our website for more helpful how-to videos.